Good morning, children. Welcome back. Narayana Live Classes Key. Narayana Live Classes Key. Class 6 Social Studies. Topic is community decision making in a tribe. You know very well that the tribal people, they have a distinct culture, distinct features, and they have a different way of the lifestyle. And here, yesterday we have learned what are the features that make a tribe. Means the tribal people are having some common features. That and all we have learned yesterday. Today we are going to learn about the last part, that is who is the head of the tribe. Who is the head of the tribe? How does he function and how he is elected. All these things that we are going to learn today. Based upon that, the assignment has been designed. So, the village headman, how he is selected. In a community, the village headman, how he is elected. Whether he is chosen or elected or hereditary, like monarch, like this different patterns are there. What is the pattern that they will be following for the election of a headman? The election of the headman is definitely hereditary. The election of the headman is hereditary. That means they are not elected. Usually based upon the strength and based upon the qualities, they'll be choosing the headman, and usually that is hereditary. So the first question answer is C, hereditary. Hereditary. That is the answer for the first question. Okay, and now that is these people, that is the headman is called as a patla, and the patla is given powers by the panch. Panch means the assembly, the village assembly, the community assembly, we can say. So based upon that, you have to identify the wrong statement. The panch may remove the headman if he is not functioning properly or if he goes against the people. The punch can means if the patla is not working efficiently, the punch has the power to remove him. That means patla has to function properly every time. The headman works on a daily basis. The headman works on a daily basis. That means we have seen that punch will not meet regularly. They don't have any daily workers, no? But like that, no, it is not like that. But patla has to work on daily basis. The headman is respected by all the members. Yes, definitely yes. So here no wrong statement is there. Hence option D, none is the answer. Option D, none. None is the answer for that question. Okay, children. And see, what is the function of a patla? What is the function of a patla? Ensuring the unity of all the village, negotiate with the outsiders and government agencies, and coordinate the community activities, participate in the construction activities. So usually patla is associated with the unity of their tribe, hence he will be negotiating even with the talking with the outsider. Whoever outsiders come, he has to attend him and he has to provide food, and he will be arranging all the necessary things for them. So that is why patla has to negotiate with the government and also with all the strangers, those who have come. That means guests. He has to even entertain the guests. So all these are there. He has to coordinate all the community activities. But that is construction activities. Construction activities he will not participate. So which is not the function of the patla is option D. Option D, construction activity. That is not the function of the patla. So here this is the answer, right? This is the answer for that question. And now that is you know very well that some of the people, those who are interested in observing the lives of these tribal people, they lived with them and they understood the life of the tribals. They wrote books on them. They did a great research. And one of such great person, those who have who lived with these tribal people and wrote the books regarding them was, you know very well, that is Hammondorf. Okay, so that is the answer is Hammondorf. That is B. Option B. human being. He came that means he came and he lived along with these tribal people, understood the life of the people, and he wrote books on them. He wrote books on them. Okay. See, nowadays the headman system is declining, because even the community is also, even these tribal people also, this headman, patla, or hereditarily and functioning on the base of regularity, all these things are changing nowadays. Why there is a change? What is the reason? That means the declining, there is a decline, means fall down in the headman system of the tribe. Why there was a decline in the headman system of a tribe? What is the reason? What is the reason? Previously, the tribal people, that means the bones, or the tribal people were living. But nowadays, these bones were replaced by the Marathas and also the Telugu people. That means they were replaced by the modern man. And at the same time, Panchayat Raj system was introduced. Panchayat Raj system means elections like that. Panchayat Raj system was introduced. Settlements of the disputes through courts. Nowadays, all the disputes are getting settled through the courts. So these are the different reasons. Hence, all the above are the reasons for the declining influence of the Patla. So option D, all. Option D, all the above is the answer for this question. Okay, children. And next one is see the I will be telling one statement. You need to identify what exactly is that. That means the arrangement where the son or daughter gets the father or mother's title or property. Means what? See here, the children will be getting the properties or the titles of their parents. What do we call this system as? What do we call this system as? Hereditary system. What do we call that as? Hereditary. We call that as the hereditary. Okay. Hereditary system. We call that as the hereditary system. Now, explain the functions of the Patla. Explain the functions of the Patla. This is for 4 marks. You need to write an essay answer. First point is regarding Patla. He has to maintain the unity. First important thing is unity of the tribe. He has to maintain the unity of the community members. Second one is he has to negotiate with the outsiders and even with the government agencies. He has to negotiate with the outsiders and even with the government agencies. Entertain the guests. Whoever the guest that comes, he has to entertain the guests. Arrange a feast and everything for him. Arrange a feast and everything for him. So he has to entertain the guests, and at the same time he coordinates various community activities. Coordinates the community activities like festivals or deciding the dates of the festivals like this. Coordinates community activities. Community activities. These are the main functions of the Patla. The main functions of the Patla are: first one is maintaining unity of the community. The second one is to negotiate with the government agencies and even with the outsiders. Even with the outsiders on behalf of the villagers. Coordinates various community functions and community activities of the village. And next one is entertain and feed the guests. Entertain and feed the guests. These are the functions, main functions of the Patla. But according to the need, whatever that is there, accordingly he will be acting, because he is the leader of the village. Right, children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment. Until then, children, have a good day and have a nice health. Thank you.